Before I go over what needs to get done, let me just tell you guys where Max is right now. He's in Miami, which is funny because last week he was giving me crap about going to visit my mom for her birthday. Not only is Max there, but Wes is there too. And they're out there partying.
I like to party.
While I'm over here having to work, which is terrible, but that's usually how our lives work. I work, Max and Wes party.
I like to party.
I work, Max and Wes party.
I know for a fact you don't party.
Kinda sucks, but that's life. All right, so now let's go over the stuff that I'm going to try and get done today without Max's help, like usual. Am I hitting that point hard enough? I don't think so. He doesn't help ever. Anyways, so let's see if we can get my side skirts sanded so they're ready to be wrapped. I might even wrap those today. I need to cut some parts out for some customers. I'd like to cut my side skirt extensions out because the other set that I cut out were not for me. Oh, I need to make bump stops for the E36 because the rear quarter panel's hitting the wheel like crazy. I need to adjust the suspension so that all four corners are sitting at the same height. And I might take care of cleaning the shop because Max obviously didn't do it. I almost forgot to mention I want to make some mirror deletes, so I got to make a template. I guess Max will be in some of my clips. I want to make a template so that I can eliminate my mirrors, and I need to grind the inside of my quarters out so that I have more room for activities. First things first, I should probably start cleaning. Thanks for opening the bay door, Max. Little status update. It's been 2 hours, 36 minutes, and 22 seconds. And I just want to say I am sick and tired of having to clean up after Max all the time. What do you think, Max? Do you think you can start doing that? Clean up after every time you make a mess? It's actually a pretty good pile. I'm proud of you. So all that aluminum that I just moved, I'll give Max some credit. That's my shit that's unorganized, but you know what I'm doing right now? Organizing it, because there's no need for me to keep a piece like that. How you doing, Max? Good? Good. Need me to refill your drink? No, you're good? All right, cool. I'll keep cleaning. Took a quick break from cleaning to glue one of my trim pieces back together. When I sprayed the rest of them, I forgot that I had two at home, grabbed them today, realized this one was broken, so I glued the hell out of it. I would have shown you that part. However, I don't want you guys to know what kind of secret glue I used. I'm going to let it dry while I finish cleaning the shop. I'm going to sand it, and then I'll spray it, and I will definitely show you guys an after, but let me show you a before again. Okay, next up, I'm gonna cut up all these pieces of aluminum, keep what I can use, and throw the rest away. And hopefully we never do a day in the life of Josh Avery, because I'm sorry, but this is super boring. Hopefully Max has some better clips of him in Florida that he would put in right now.
My vlog children! It is your papa, the vlog father. I'm on vacation. I'm in Florida. And the reason I came on vacation is because Josh is doing some janky ass shit at the shop. I said I could get the fuck out of here. So I left. And I know what else you're thinking. You're thinking, how the fuck are you gonna do cars and cuss words on vacation in Florida? I'm gonna paint my golf cart, you know? So that's what we're doing today. We gonna paint this motherfucker. I already got it all ready. I got the paint. I got the tape. Shit. She gonna look so much better. So we're gonna take this bitch down up the road to the freaking golf course management facility. And we're gonna fucking sand this bitch all down and spray her with a colored bed liner. That way I can just wreck into shit whenever I want to, and it will just not scratch, you know? Alright guys, she's fucking done. I bedlined the shit out of this fucking thing. Look at that. Woo! Blue Raptor liner. Now I don't know what kind of fucking stupid ass shit Josh has been doing back there while I've been gone, but I guarantee it ain't this fucking cool, okay? He's probably back there doing some fucking stupid ass cutting on his stupid ass BMW, not even doing a good job at it. I just did a fucking professional paint job without any freaking tools. Sometimes I think I'm like the car customization god. So maybe no more Vlogfather, maybe just car customization god Maxx. I don't know, that's a little long. We'll try to figure something out.
Okay, so hopefully we cut back from what Maxx did in Florida back to here so that you can see all the scrap that's getting thrown away and all the big pieces that can be used, and then full sheet. Mas bueno. And for those of you that don't know French, it means much better. All right, I'm gonna have it start cutting. You watch that. I'm gonna go spray another coat outside. Look at that. It's almost as if I know what I'm doing. Just a little bit. Boring old Josh over here, just wanted to check in. What did I do so far? Clean the shop, cut up all the scrap, kept the piece big enough to reuse. I cut some parts out for some customers. And what else? 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 Oh, I glued and sanded and sprayed my trim. I still got to show you guys what the after looks like, but I'm going to go get some food. Then I'll be back to do more stuff later. Max, you hungry? Guess he's not hungry. How long have you been drinking that Baja Fresh for? Damn! You've had that drink forever. I don't know how Max is rocking a beanie right now. I'm wearing this hat and I'm sweaty. Can only imagine in that beanie. Okay, time to go get food. I really don't know what I'm going to get yet, but I need something fast because I got to get back to the shop. It rubs a little bit. I got to get back to the shop so I can get more stuff done. Oh, Max changed his mind. He decided to cut. Are you not wearing your seatbelt? Dude, what the fuck? Got your dog safety first. Okay. Jesus. Gotta go. A 4-piece caramel cheesecake bite.
Okay.
And then my friend will have a regular bean and cheese burrito.
And would you like that with red or green sauce?
Red sauce?
Okay.
Thank you. I was in the neighborhood, so I figured I'd stop by and say hi to Kyle. Give him one of these burritos, because for some reason Max isn't eating the burrito that he wanted. Brought you a burrito. I thought Max was gonna eat one, but he didn't. And I knew that if he didn't, you would.
He's looking thin these days.
I think so. I'm gonna tell you guys what. This vlogging thing, hard as hell. To set up the camera, do your work, move the camera, do more work. I feel like I've gotten nothing done other than moving the camera a whole bunch of times. Anyways, back to work. Any juice here, I'm gonna push. A little to the left. To the left. All right, you good. Now it's time to take this ruler, measure all 4 corners, fender to lip, so that I could adjust each coil accordingly and get all 4 corners sitting at the same height so that I can get the car lined. That's the plan. What do you think, Max? Cool. Gotta raise that side, both front and rear, about 1/8 of an inch. All right, so let's hope that that did it. So right now, at the height that I'm at, my wheel, the actual wheel, the lip of the wheel, not the tire, comes in contact with the quarter panel. And it makes a loud bang, and it's the worst noise ever. So I can either raise the car, add more camber, or put a wheel with a higher offset, or I could cut the inside of the quarter out and leave it how it is. Hopefully, if I do that, it solves the problem, versus if it continues to hit after I cut the inside of the quarter panel out, quarter panel will be super weak and it'll look like a bacon quarter. So, cross your fingers. Do you guys see all that? Look at all that rubber. And it's double layered. The steel's double layered, look. All right guys, so after you cut it out, it's very important to go back and make it all nice and smooth. And then you want to clear coat it, because you don't want the raw steel and water to mix. Do you know what happens, class? Do you know what happens? It rusts. Also, Max is gonna be so mad at me doing all this shit. He hates when I do shit like this.
Correct.
Because he'd rather me raise the car or do a little bit more camber, whatever, than do this. Good news is, I drove around. It doesn't rub anymore like it did. I'm not excited because I have metal in my teeth. It is what it is.